Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have Mariela and Lilian and we're going to do the what's in my mouth challenge. So we're just gonna put random things that we got from the grocery store. We're gonna be blindfolded. Yeah, 5 things each. So me and Mariela are gonna go first. Lilian's going to feed us whatever she got and then we're gonna switch. So let's get started. Alright. Okay, so this is the first one.
Oh God, what is it? Tuna.
Okay, try it. Just try a little piece. Okay, the fork's right there. Here, Donna.
What?
Try it. Just take a bite.
I think it's tuna.
No.
It is.
No, it's not.
Where is it?
What is that? Okay, take a bite.
Oh my God, is that
No, don't say it.
beans?
Take a bite. Take a bite. You gotta take a bite. Here.
Little. What is
Take
it?
a bite.
Hey, I know, it's the little baby hot dog.
Yes.
What is it called? Wingies?
Yes.
The second
one. I got scared. I was like, what is she doing?
Okay, so you guys have to drink it. Open your mouth.
This is who mix. It's who mix. Whatever.
Okay, here.
Ew.
Open your mouth.
My mouth?
Yes.
Hey, can I do it again? Can you do it again to me?
I mean, can you do it again?
Okay, let me do a drop. Let me do a drop.
Just 2 drops?
A little bit more. Open your mouth.
What is that?
I know some Salvadorian shit.
It's fruit. No, it's not fruit.
Okay,
it's
open your mouth, Donna. But lean back a little bit.
That's Malta.
Yes!
I used to drink those. I used to like them.
It's my third item.
Yo, I'm such a winner.
Third one.
I like hot dogs and Malta. The worst mix.
Good bite.
Oh God, another bite. I'm scared.
Why did the texture taste like that? Oh my God, what? Let me see.
Don't even say it yet. Let me taste it first.
Oh God, why? Oh God. What? It tastes like mustard to me.
Pickles.
Yes.
Pickles though.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Open your
I
mouth.
was gonna go first. It's like,
Oh, it feels like it's alive. Yellow with fruit.
yeah.
But what kind?
Lychee.
Peachy.
No.
Mango.
No.
Strawberry.
No, keep going.
Green apple.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Damn, you know. Lilian.
Alright, Donna.
She like. Ew.
Yeah, here.
Is it carrots? No.
Let me see.
Let me see. Show me.
Well, yeah, I gotta keep going. This is the 5th item.
Es queso de Salvador.
It is. Oh my God.
No, I tried it. I was like, cheese. Who's here?
Oh my God, I'm so scared. Mariela, what is it?
Why does it taste like that? What is that?
What? It's like
Oh, something. Just open your mouth a little bigger.
what is it?
You know what it is?
What the fuck is that? It's like
It's pudding?
No.
Oh, is it like caramello?
Mm-mm.
It's weird. I don't know.
it's like a
weird.
mousse cake. Why do I eat like my son?
You don't know what it is.
It's good.
It's good. That's why I want you to keep going.
What is it?
It's cream of coconut.
Oh,
That tastes so
good. Give me some.
Why does it sound? Let me eat one first.
It's probably chips. Nunca ves that itches.
You guys have to eat it. Stick out your tongue.
Stick out my tongue.
Oh, I know what this is.
Bag number 2.
Yeah, girl. There more bags?
Right after you guys. You gotta eat it though.
open it and eat it.
It was a marshmallow.
What kind?
The little Spanish one.
Fine.
The fuck is that?
Open your mouth, Mariela.
Open. Why did it?
Open your mouth.
Oh no, that tastes disgusting.
Just
Eat
eat
it.
it.
Yeah, it tastes better than what it smells.
Is that it?
Nope. Chunky something.
Keep guessing.
Are you sure it's not tuna?
You guys suck. It's not tuna.
I don't know what it is. It tastes like tuna though.
It's deviled ham.
What?
Oh.
It don't taste good.
Okay, here comes the
That
last
was
one.
disgusting.
You just don't like the texture in your mouth.
Shit, bought a big ass bottle of pickles. Alright, this is the last one.
Smallest
This is the
one.
last one, guys.
Oh gosh.
Dog.
Okay, Mariela, open your mouth really big.
Oh.
Open.
Can I have more?
Oh, there's a flan.
That's why I was like, one more.
Ta-da!
Am I done?
Yeah.
The first item, you guys. Scoop.
Mmm.
Open your mouth wide. Take out your tongue though.
What is it? It's soft.
Everything's soft.
It's a gummy bear.
Oh.
I haven't even put it in her mouth yet. Second item.
She's almost giggling. She sounds like a little leprechaun.
I'm scared.
Alright. Open your mouth.
No,
Lilian.
She sounds like a little
Get closer to the
leprechaun.
camera.
Hershey chocolate. Is it?
Yeah. The syrup. Mmm.
This is the dirty one.
She has the dirty one.
No. This is the third one.
What is?
Okay.
Open your mouth wide. Hold on. Oh, no, your tongue out too. Here you go.
Ooh.
Eat it.
It's a pickle.
You just try.
Is it one?
It doesn't taste right after the chocolate.
Is it a pickle?
Nope. There's something else.
A carrot.
Nope.
What?
Nope. Keep going.
Jalapeno?
Huh?
This is a burger pickle.
Hamburger
Oh.
dill.
Oh.
The one that I don't know how I'm gonna open.
Oh shit.
I didn't think about that.
Lilian?
Yeah.
What do you know
This
where
is
it's
the
at?
fourth one.
My turn?
I'm gonna give it in your mouth and then I'm gonna give it to Donna. So don't open your whole mouth wide. Open it.
Oh, she's screaming!
Open your mouth wide.
It's coconut.
It's coconut
She was
water.
gonna drown me in it.
She's like...
I'm all wet. Oh no, what are you doing?
That stinks.
It does stink.
Open your mouth. Oh, I didn't even say. Look, this is where I'm giving the last one.
Can I play your phone, Mom?
Smells like chicken tuna.
I was right
Here.
there.
Tuna.
It's right there,
I
Mom.
can't see. Ew, this is tuna. Ew, this is so disgusting. It came out blurry.